What's up guys, and welcome back to Roladel Business. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can actually apply for Facebook monetization in Nigeria and start making money. This is a complete tutorial on how you can actually set up your Facebook page once you become eligible for monetization. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is going over to the search tab and then type out Creative Studio, or I can just type Facebook monetization and then you come out like this. As you can see, I have different pages here, but I'm going to go over my page. So you can see you have a new monetization set of tools, and you can see it because I'm actually eligible for this. So I'm going to click on my page and now to get started. So these are some of other pages that I'm admin to, but I'm just going to go over my page that I'm actually seeing a yellow sign. So you can see it is in stream ads and a lot of stuff. So I'm just going to show you guys how you can actually set up your page for monetization step by step. I can fix your bank details and all that stuff. So click on the setup right here. I've already set my payment method, so I'm just going to show you from here. You have to go through all this, but I'm not going to go through all this. I'm just going to click on I agree, and now I'm going to set up my payment method. So you can either use people or your bank account that's associated with your piece. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to be using my bank account. So I'm just going to go click the create method, click next. So now I have to select the country which I am in. So actually get my business info. You actually don't need to have a business. It is only for your country. So I'm going to pick Nigeria because I am a Nigerian business type individual. So I'm going to be filling all the steps. After that, I'm going to put in my name, my last name, middle name, province, my city, phone numbers and everything. Again, I'm going to be submitting my tax ID. Yeah, tax ID can actually be on our bill. It's actually on 8-digit code which I'm using. I'm going to be using my Nepal bill as my tax ID, guys. So that's exactly what I'm using as my tax ID type. So as you guys see, for the tax ID type, I actually use all the government issued ID, and we put in the ID card number, which is the number on my receipt bill. If you have any Nepal recipients and 8-digit code at the receipts at the top, I think at the top left or right corner, you should see your number there, your ID tax ID number. So I'm going to fix my date of birth. So stuff like that. After that, I have to put in my account number. I'll continue my account details here, and I'm actually using Zenith Bank. So they are Swift, and I'm going to be putting everything in, so I can actually call that well. So I'm going to put in there because I'm also going to be putting my account number since I'm using my account to ask for payment. So yeah, this is probably why I'm actually have to submit the tax ID, which is the receipt which I actually talked about. This is where you have to submit your receipt to prove that truly that ID, that number you dropped there is actually legit from a government tax ID approved. So yeah, we submitted my tax ID from here. So I think if you need to change anything later, you can edit your account page after the application is approved. So I think the next click is done. You can also preview or confirm everything is completed. I click submit for review. So yeah, you see your submission was received. Thanks for setting up your tools and submitting your page for review. We will review your page to make sure it will meet the monetization guidelines. When the review process is complete, you will be notified by email. You can also check back here for updates. So that's it. So that's it for this video. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully it will help on how to set up the Facebook page monetization. If you have any questions, you can actually drop a comment down below at the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to Roladel Business and turn on notification bells for more interesting videos like this.